Today what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at story problems that involve eliminating possibilities. Like what we were doing in 9 Find, we eliminated everything else that was possible, and what was left was our answer. Okay, so that's what the process we're going to be following. Here's our first example. Jill threw 5 darts at the dartboard. The possible scores on the target were 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Each dart hit the target. Which of these total scores can be quickly identified as not possible? All right, so really this problem should take us less than a minute. So we want to know things that are not possible. Keep in mind she's throwing 5 darts and we have these possible scores here, right? We have those possible scores, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. If I add any combination of those, I'm going to have even numbers, right? Because 2 plus 2 gives me 4, right? If I do like 6 plus 8, that gives me 14. Those are all even numbers, which means there's no way for me to get an odd number. So let's go ahead and eliminate all of our odd numbers. So I'm going to eliminate the 15, the 31, and the 23. All right, so everything that I have left are even numbers. So now I think the easiest would be to look at the highest and the lowest. So let's start with the highest. If they got a 10 every single time they threw a dart, and we know they threw it for 5 times, the largest score they could have, the biggest score they could have is 50 points. Well, we have a number bigger than 50. We have 58, so we can eliminate 58. Now let's think about what if they did the worst. Okay, so look at that 2 right there. If they threw all 5 darts and they only hit 2 every time, that would be 5 times 2 or 10. So the lowest score they would have is 10. So do we have anything less than 10? Yep, we do. We have a 6. So we can get rid of the 6. So we eliminated everything. The only thing we did not eliminate are 38, 30, 42, 26, and 14. So we eliminated everything that we could. And that's all they wanted us to do. We don't have to figure out how they got 38. We don't have to figure out how they got 30. We just had to eliminate what was not possible. Here's our second problem. It says Jim tells lies on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. He tells the truth on all other days. Frida tells lies on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. She tells the truth on all other days. If they both say yesterday I lied, then what day is it today? All right, so let's take a look at Jim and Frida. All right, and we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, so here we go. So Jim tells lies on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So lies on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which means he tells the truth on all the other days. Frida tells lies on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So lies, lies, and lies on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. She tells the truth on all other days. Okay, so now if they both say, yesterday I lied, then what day is it today? So let's start with Monday. Okay, so if we focus on Monday, they have to tell the truth on Mondays, right? Oops, I meant to do that in yellow. Let's try that again. Okay, so that means they have to tell the truth. So yesterday they lied. So if I go back to Sunday, Jim is correct. Yesterday he would have lied. Frida has to tell the truth. If we go back a day, back to Sunday, we can see she told the truth. So that can't be right. This can't be Monday. All right, so let's check Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday, Jim has to tell the truth, and he said, yesterday I lied. Well, that's not true. Monday is a truth day for Jim. Okay, so now let's try Wednesday. Yesterday I lied. So Jim, he has to tell the truth. So yesterday, which was Tuesday, he told the truth. So that's not right again. Okay, so now we can go to Thursday. Jim says, yesterday I lied. Okay, well, the day before, though, he told the truth. So Again, that can't be right because Thursday he tells the truth. Let's go to Friday. Okay, so yesterday I lied. So today is Friday. Jim has to lie today. So yesterday I lied. He's telling a lie, meaning he told the truth. Okay, so that one's good. Okay, so let's check. This one's good. So let's check Frida. Frida has to tell the truth today on Friday. So she said, yesterday I lied, and she has to tell the truth about it. Well, notice yesterday she did tell lies. So today must be Friday. Okay, so this again is all about eliminating possibilities. Now you have one problem you're going to work on, and then you're going to turn that in. After that, you're going to go on Google Classroom and you're going to play one game of set and one game of 9Find, and you're going to upload your image for each one of those.